Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook baked pork chops from start to finish. First, consider marinating or brining your pork chops for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step infuses flavor and helps keep the meat incredibly juicy. Afterward, remember to thoroughly pat them dry with paper towels. This ensures a beautiful, golden brown sear later on, creating a delicious crust and locking in those wonderful juices. Next, generously season your dried pork chops on all sides with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other spices you prefer, like paprika or garlic powder. Then, heat a heavy-bottomed skillet, such as a cast iron pan, over medium-high heat with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sear the chops for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they develop a rich, golden brown crust, which adds incredible depth of flavor. After searing, transfer your skillet directly into a preheated oven set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If your pan isn't oven-safe, simply move the chops to a baking dish. Continue baking for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the thickness of your chops. For perfectly cooked, tender results every time, ensure you use a reliable meat thermometer to check the internal temperature accurately. Pork chops are safely cooked when their internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, measured at the thickest part of the chop. Be careful not to overcook them, as this will lead to dry, tough meat. Once they reach the target temperature, remove the chops from the oven and let them rest on a cutting board, loosely tented with foil, for at least 5 minutes. This resting period is vital for the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.